In previous video, I explained quadrilateral. So what is quadrilateral? Any figure which is having four sides is called quadrilateral. Now, there are three types of quadrilateral: trapezium, kite and parallelogram. So trapezium, which is having in which two pair of sides are parallel and other two sides are equal or not equal, means trapezium, diagram of trapezium will be like this, and these two sides are parallel. Okay, so this is trapezium. So what is isosceles trapezium? Isosceles trapezium means we can draw it. This is also a trapezium because one pair of side is parallel. So what is isosceles trapezium? In isosceles trapezium, one pair of sides are parallel and non-parallel sides are equal. Okay, so this is isosceles trapezium. One pair of sides are parallel and two non-parallel sides are equal. Okay, so it is isosceles trapezium. What is kite? In kite, both the two pair of sides are equal, but opposite sides are unequal. How is it possible? These two sides are equal. These two sides are equal, but opposite sides are not equal. Okay? And diagonals are perpendicular also. Now, next is parallelogram. What is parallelogram? Parallelogram in which both the pair of sides are parallel. So, parallelogram are of three types: rhombus, rectangle and square. In rhombus, all the sides are equal. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel. In rhombus also, all the sides are equal and parallel. Even in the square, all the sides are equal and both the pair of sides are parallel. Okay, I am writing it in this way because square is rhombus and square is rectangle too. Okay, but converse is not possible. Means rhombus cannot be square, but square can be rhombus. Rectangle is not a square, but square is a rectangle. Okay, so this is quadrilateral. Now, properties of a parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal. Means AB is parallel to DC and AB is equals to DC. Now, next, AD is parallel to BC and AD is equals to BC. Okay. Now next is opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal means angle A equals to angle C and angle B equals to angle D. Now third, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals, first, which is diagonal? AC and BD. AC and BD are diagonals. So, AC and BD are diagonals and they bisect each other. Means AO equals to OC and DO equals to OB. Okay? And I am writing AO AO equals to OC and BO equals to DU. Okay. Now, fourth is adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angle means angles which share one common ray. Okay. So, means two angles which share one common ray. Means angle A plus angle D equals to 180 degree. Similarly, angle A plus angle D equals to 180 degree, angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degree, B plus C equals to 180 degree, D plus C equals to 180 degree. Okay, so adjacent angle which share one common ray. Now, properties of a rectangle. Rectangle is also a parallelogram. Okay, so first property, opposite sides are parallel and equal. Means AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. Okay. Now, next is all angles are equal and 90 degree. In parallelogram, all sides are perpendicular to each other. Means AD is perpendicular on AB and in all sides. Okay. Now, third is diagonals bisect each other. Means diagonal bisect each other. Since it is parallelogram, so in this diagonals are equal also. Okay, so diagonals bisect each other. AO equals to OC and DO equals to OB. Okay. Now, fourth is adjacent angles are supplementary. Since all the angles are in rectangle are 90 degrees, so adjacent angles are supplementary. Fifth, every rectangle is parallelogram. I told you earlier. Now, sixth one is both diagonals are equal. This one is AC. AC equals to BD. Diagonals are equal. Okay. So, rectangle is also a parallelogram. Now, next is square. Properties of square. Opposite sides are parallel and all sides are equal. In a square, all sides are equal. Means AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. Okay. Now, all angles are of 90 degree. In this, all angles are angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C equals to angle D, and every side is perpendicular on another side. That's why it is all angles are equal of 90 degree. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Since it is square is parallelogram, so it has all property of parallelogram, maximum properties of parallelogram. Now, adjacent angles are supplementary. All angles are of 90 degree, so adjacent angles are supplementary. Now, every square is parallelogram and rectangle. So, just now I told you, square is parallelogram. Square is rectangle too. Okay, because it follow all the properties of rectangle except one pair of opposite sides are not equal. Both diagonals are equal. In this last sixth one is both diagonals are equal. AC equals to BD. Okay, AC equals to BD. So, this is square. Now, properties of rhombus. Opposite sides are parallel and all sides are equal. Okay. So, AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. But all sides are equal. Okay. All sides are equal. Now, next is opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal means angle A equals to angle C and angle B equals to angle D. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Means in rhombus, diagonals are perpendicular. Third means DO. DO is perpendicular on AC and CO is perpendicular on BD. Okay. Fourth, adjacent angles are supplementary. Okay. Since it is parallelogram, so adjacent angles are supplementary. So fourth is angle A plus angle D equals to 180 degree. Now, fifth is every rhombus is a parallelogram. I told you earlier, every rhombus is a parallelogram. Okay, so it is rhombus. Explain some in next video. I will explain some based on all these properties of parallelogram.